10 years of trading, and the one thing I see hold traders back more than any strategy, more than any setup, more than any market condition, is the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it. You know the trade is there, you can see it, and you still don't press the button. Now that is not a knowledge problem, that is an execution problem. And if I'm honest, I know exactly what that feels like. I remember sitting there, staring at the charts, knowing exactly what I should do, and still not doing it. And then I'd watch the trade hit target without me, or I'd hesitate, finally jump in late, and then watch it reverse. And then I'll tell myself, next time this will be different. The next day comes and I do exactly the same thing. And that's what finally hit me. It was never about finding another strategy. It was about becoming somebody who could actually execute the strategy I already had. Because knowledge doesn't make you money, execution does. And that's exactly why I built the Executor Challenge. Not because you need another course, not because you need more information, but because I genuinely believe most traders already know enough. They just don't yet trust themselves enough to consistently act on what they know. So for 6 weeks, we're gonna fix that. Every week focuses on one core principle of execution. Every day you're gonna have structure. Every day you're gonna have accountability. Every day you're gonna see exactly how I approach the markets live. Because execution isn't something you learn by watching, it's something you build by doing. And I've watched traders inside NDS go from hesitating on every setup to passing funded challenges, getting consistent, and more importantly, finally trusting themselves. And for me, that's the real win. Not the payout, not the funded account. The moment you become the type of trader who does what they say they were gonna do. Doors open on Wednesday. We officially start Monday, the 6th of July. And if you've been trading for a while and deep down, you know the strategy isn't the problem, then this was built for you. The link is in the description. I'd love to have you with us, and I'll see you on the other side.